In a quiet village between green hills lived a boy named Aaron. He was full of dreams and energy, but his mind was never still. One week he wanted to be a painter, the next week he wanted to study birds. He could never stay focused on one thing for long. His mind was like a candle in the wind, shining in every direction but not strongly anywhere. One day, an old monk came to the village. His name was Master Day. He was very calm, peaceful, and wise. When he spoke, people listened carefully. Aaron liked him at once. "Master," Aaron said, "I want to know the secret of success. Please tell me how I can make my dreams come true." The monk smiled. "Come to the forest tomorrow at sunrise. Bring your bow and arrows." Aaron was confused. He was not good at shooting arrows, but he found an old bow and went with the monk the next morning. The air was cool and full of bird sounds. The monk stopped near a big tree and drew a small red circle on its trunk. "Shoot this mark," the monk said. "That will give you your answer." Aaron stood back, aimed, and shot. The arrow missed badly. "Try again," said the monk. Aaron shot again. The arrow was closer but still not on the mark. He sighed, "I can't do it. The wind is moving, my hands are shaking, and the light keeps changing." The monk raised his hand and said softly, "Close your eyes. Tell me what you see." "I see the tree," said Aaron. "What else?" asked the monk. "I see the leaves, the sunlight, the grass, and you, master." "Good," said the monk. "Now open your eyes and shoot again." Aaron did, but again, he missed. The monk smiled. "You are seeing too many things." He took a piece of cloth and covered Aaron's eyes, leaving only a small opening to see the red mark. "Now," said the monk, "see only your target. Forget everything else." Aaron took a deep breath. The world around him disappeared, no wind, no trees, no monk, only the red circle. His hands stopped shaking. He released the arrow. Thud! The arrow hit the red mark perfectly. Aaron's eyes grew wide. "How did this happen?" The monk smiled. "You learned the secret. Most people live with a scattered mind, half in the past, half in the future. But when you give your full attention to one thing, you awaken great power. Focus makes the impossible possible." Aaron bowed deeply. That moment changed his life. After that day, Aaron practiced focus in everything. When he studied with full mind. When he worked, he noticed every sound and movement. Slowly, he became known for his calm and perfect aim. Years later, Aaron became a great archer and wise teacher. People came from faraway places to learn from him. Whenever someone asked for his secret, he said, "The arrow does not need more strength, it needs direction. The mind does not need to be faster, it needs focus." One day, a young student asked, "Master, how can I train my mind to focus like yours?" Aaron took him to a quiet pond. "Look into the water," he said. "What do you see?" "My face," said the student. Aaron dropped a small stone into the pond. Ripples spread on the water. "Now what do you see?" "I can't see my face clearly," said the student. Aaron nodded. "That is how your mind works. When you let worries, fear, and distractions enter it, your vision becomes unclear. But when the water is still, your face returns. When your mind is calm, your goal becomes clear." The student understood. Aaron smiled. Focus does not mean to force your mind, it means to keep it free from noise. The world belongs to people who can see one thing clearly while others see many things faintly. Under the blue sky, the student began his own journey of focus, one breath, one thought, one arrow at a time. Moral: the mind is like sunlight. When it spreads, it warms nothing. When it focuses, it can burn fire. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. More peaceful stories coming soon.